Hello everyone. So I often get asked, how can I add myself as an admin, or can you add me as an admin? My answer is usually no, I will not tell you, or no, it is your job to get it done, because we're just offering the servers for free. However, today I wanted to show you how to exactly do that so that I can refer to this video in the future for all the clients asking for me. So you should have your own server listed into the server list in your panel. It might change in the future as we're upgrading to a new panel. However, you should be able to connect to FTP. Let's make just a connection. Okay, so I'm just connected to a server already. And there's another video if you don't know how to connect to your server. However, you go into your game directory, you should see a couple of files in there. You should look for your add-ons folder and source mode, and then configuration configs. Inside configs you have a lot of configuration files which you should know what they do. However, you might not know. Okay, we're looking at admins.cfg or admins simple, which is, where is it? Admins simple.ini. We're gonna start with this one since it's the simple one. You have to right click, view, edit, and it will open a window. And this is where you want to put yourself as an admin. So first of all, you have to grab your, okay, let's remove this one. So this is starting with / means it's a comment, so we could remove this whole and nothing would happen. As long as you put / nothing will be parsed by Sourcemod, so you should keep it without anything before you write. And the format is very simple. Open your quotes once, put your Steam ID here, space one space there, and then quote again, and then the flags. Now we're gonna look what those dots are first. So this is your Steam ID, and how you find your Steam ID? Very simple. You open Google and you type Steam ID Finder. First link, open that one. Now here you put your own URL to your page or nickname or whatever. I know that my name is NIKO777. Search for that, and there we go. Looking for Steam ID 3. Now this is the new one and this is the old one. It's fine to use both. I'm gonna copy this one. I did. And then go back to the admin simple and paste it here. So I have my Steam ID in quotes now. There's a space, and now we have to look for the flags. The flags are your permissions, what you can do as an admin. So again, you go on Google and you type Sourcemod Admin. As simple as that. And the first link is adding admins, which you should have checked out before looking at this video, but I know you probably didn't. So this is how you get there. And what you want to look for is the levels. Just this much. Forget about the custom flags. So for a normal admin, just a normal admin, you would want to choose some of these, like A, B, C, F, I, maybe not I, J, and whatever you like. However, for yourself as the owner of the server, you want to give yourself this one, Z. Magically enables all flags and ignores immunity values. You have everything with this one. So let's do that. Flags. Inside here we want to be Z, and that's it. This is if you want to be admin. So you're gonna save, close it, then go back to FileZilla or whatever your client is, upload the file, and now you're admin when you reboot the server. Now keep watching this video if you want to see a more complicated way of doing that, which is the sort of professional way. For this one, it's a little bit more complicated. So right click, view and edit, and you will have something like, hold on, okay, something like this. Again, everything that is in between this and that is not parsed. I'll show you easily. C++. Okay, see, it's like a comment here. It's grayed out. Whatever matters is what is in between admins, open bracket, and closed bracket. So only in between those two brackets, or braces, whatever you want to call them, is what is really being read. So in between here, we have to put something such as this. This is an example. So you feel free to copy it, put it over here. Don't forget to keep those two braces there. Do not erase them. Make a lot of spaces if you fear you're doing that. So you copy that in, and you see there's the first quote and the name. This is the name. It doesn't matter what you put in here. It could be my love 123 or just Nico, because I'm Nico. Now, authentication type is Steam, because you want the Steam ID. You don't want the IP or the name or whatever unsure and insecure is. You leave this there, auth Steam. Don't change that. Flags. Now let's look at flags first. Flags, same for admin simple. You put Z because you want to have everything. Else you just put whatever flags you want. But for yourself, you want Z, else you don't have all the powers. And for identity, you just put the Steam ID. And now I have to grab it again. So I'm gonna copy it and then go back over here and paste it. That's it, okay? And if you want to add more admins, you just copy your own. Make sure you don't override these brackets and just paste it. And let's say that this is gonna be my mom, and probably it's gonna be a different Steam ID. I mean, it's gonna be a different Steam ID. And then I want my mom to only have generic admin and then whatever else it is, and chat as well. There we go. And you keep on stacking admins down below here, okay? As long as you have one opening, oh Jesus, one opening curly brace and one closing at the end, and then again one opening and one closing, one opening. So if the opening braces are always the same as the closing braces, that's fine. If you don't have something like that, let's say we erase this one, it's gonna come up, either you don't have admin at all, or it's gonna say there's an error parsing the admin configuration file, and you will not have admin anyway. So make sure you have always opening and closing. And then of course you have to save and then go over FileZilla and override the file there. So that's about it, and everything you have to know about adding admins. And I hope you understood how it works, and I wish you good luck with setting up your server. See you.